Choosing the right anti-aging serum is key to achieving smooth, youthful skin. The best serums tackle wrinkles, fine lines, and texture concerns while deeply hydrating. We've curated the top-performing serums with ingredients like retinol, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C, perfect for various skin types and concerns. Here are our top recommendations. All product links are in the description. Number 16. Number 7 Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Serum. Number 7 Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Serum is formulated with peptides, retinol palmitate, and hyaluronic acid to tackle fine lines and improve overall skin texture. It strengthens the skin's elasticity and reduces wrinkles, delivering visible results in just 10 days. While the serum is effective, some users find that it runs out quickly with daily use. Number 15. L'Oréal Paris Revitalift Derm Intensives Hyaluronic Acid Serum Ampoules. L'Oréal's Revitalift Derm Intensive Serum Ampoules offer an easy, mess-free way to deliver a burst of hydration. The ampoules contain 1.9% hyaluronic acid, known for its intense moisture-boosting properties. Number 14. Isdinceutics Hyaluronic Concentrate. Isdinceutics Hyaluronic Concentrate delivers an immediate moisture surge thanks to its dual hyaluronic acid formula, designed to hydrate both the surface and deeper layers of the skin. This serum also includes peptides to support skin elasticity, giving it a firm and plump appearance. While its luxurious texture is a plus, some users find its fragrance a bit too strong. Number 13. SkinCeuticals Metacell Renewal B3. SkinCeuticals Metacell Renewal B3 is a powerful yet lightweight serum that features niacinamide, known for its ability to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, brighten skin, and even out skin tone. This serum works to boost cell turnover and improve skin firmness without being overly harsh, making it great for sensitive skin types. Number 12. Mary Kay Clinical Solutions Retinol 0.5 Set. Mary Kay's Clinical Solutions Retinol 0.5 Set introduces a beginner-friendly retinol treatment, paired with a calming facial milk to soothe any irritation caused by retinoid use. The duo helps to accelerate skin cell turnover, improving texture and reducing fine lines. The gradual introduction to retinol is perfect for sensitive skin users. Number 11. Innisfree Retinol Cica Moisture Recovery Serum. Innisfree's Retinol Cica Moisture Recovery Serum is a gentle retinol-based treatment designed for sensitive skin. The addition of Cica, Centella asiatica, and niacinamide helps soothe inflammation while promoting a smoother complexion. This serum is ideal for those with redness or irritation-prone skin who want to introduce retinol into their routine without experiencing harsh side effects. Number 10. Shiseido Bioperformance Skin Filler Serums. Shiseido's Bioperformance Skin Filler Serums offer a comprehensive anti-aging solution in 2 steps, one for daytime and one for nighttime. The day serum delivers deep hydration while providing protection against environmental stressors, while the night serum helps repair skin and boost collagen production while you sleep. Visible improvements in skin firmness and elasticity can be seen within 4 weeks. Number 9. SkinCeuticals Custom Dose Serum. SkinCeuticals Custom Dose Serum offers a personalized approach to skincare by combining ingredients that target your unique concerns. Whether you're dealing with hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, or dullness, this serum is tailored to your skin's needs through a dermatologist consultation. It typically contains a mix of retinol, glycolic acid, or antioxidants, depending on the individual's skin condition. Number 8. Rock Derm Correxion Fill Plus Treat Advanced Retinol Serum. Rock's Derm Correxion Fill Plus Treat Advanced Retinol Serum delivers a potent combination of retinol and hyaluronic acid to target deep wrinkles. It is particularly effective in areas with deep-set wrinkles, such as the forehead and around the eyes, providing both instant and lasting results. The serum fills in lines while also improving skin's texture and elasticity over time. While some users find the packaging a bit cumbersome. Number 7. Rock Multi-Correction Revive Plus Glow Vitamin C Serum. Rock Multi-Correction Revive Plus Glow Vitamin C Serum is formulated to brighten and even out skin tone while addressing signs of aging. Packed with 10% vitamin C, it effectively reduces dullness and improves the overall texture of the skin. The lightweight, non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, making it perfect for use under makeup. Number 6. Theraderm OPC Reparative Serum. Theraderm OPC Reparative Serum provides a gentle but effective solution for irritated or sensitive skin. Formulated with antioxidants like grape seed extract, this serum helps reduce redness, calm irritation, and promote skin repair. It's especially useful for individuals with sensitive skin or those recovering from dermatological treatments. Number 5. Mary Kay Clinical Solutions PHA plus AHA Resurfacer. Mary Kay Clinical Solutions PHA plus AHA Resurfacer is a gentle exfoliating serum designed to renew skin and improve texture without causing irritation. Its blend of polyhydroxy acids, PHA, and alpha-hydroxy acids, AHA, works to slough off dead skin cells, revealing smoother, brighter skin underneath. Number 4. Murad Resurgence Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. Murad Resurgence Retinol Youth Renewal Serum is a powerful anti-aging treatment designed to minimize deep wrinkles and fine lines. Its fast-acting formula works to firm and smooth the skin, improving overall elasticity while reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Some users experience flaking and redness during the initial use, but this subsides as the skin adjusts to the retinol. Number 3. OEM by Ciara 20% Vitamin C Brightening Serum. OEM by Ciara offers an antioxidant-packed solution with its 20% Vitamin C Brightening Serum. This high-concentration serum targets dark spots, uneven skin tone, and dullness, providing a radiant and youthful glow. The lightweight texture absorbs quickly into the skin, making it ideal for use under makeup or as part of a morning skincare routine. However, those with sensitive skin should be cautious. Number 2. Curology Custom FormulaRx. Curology's Custom FormulaRx offers a tailored skincare experience, with ingredients chosen specifically for your unique skin concerns. After an online consultation, users receive a personalized serum that may include retinoids, niacinamide, or other active ingredients to address signs of aging, acne, or uneven texture. While it requires a subscription and ongoing consultations, the customized approach ensures your skin receives exactly what it needs for long-term improvement. Number 1. Number 7 Restore and Renew Face and Neck Multi-Action Serum. Number 7 Restore and Renew Face and Neck Multi-Action Serum is a dual-purpose anti-aging serum that targets both the face and neck. Formulated to improve skin's elasticity, firmness, and tone, this serum reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles with consistent use. Its multi-action approach makes it a great choice for anyone looking to address sagging skin on both the face and neck. Affordable yet effective, it delivers visible results without the premium price tag. The serum also absorbs quickly, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine for long-term anti-aging benefits across the face and neck areas. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more deals.